WaterNest 100 by EcoFlow Life. The WaterNest 100 is a true masterpiece of eco-friendly design. Created by renowned architect Jan Carloa, this innovative floating house redefines sustainable living. Spanning over 100 square meters, the house features a unique circular shape. It's built with recycled laminated timber and an aluminum hull, ensuring durability and eco-conscious construction. Inside, the layout is highly customizable. It includes living, dining, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom areas. Every space is thoughtfully designed to blend seamlessly with nature. Large windows and balconies offer breathtaking water views. The roof is equipped with skylights and photovoltaic panels that generate up to 4 kilowatts of energy. The WaterNest 100 is designed for rivers or calm seas. It incorporates natural microventilation and efficient air conditioning systems for a comfortable indoor environment. This floating house is 98% recyclable, making it an environmentally responsible choice. Its versatility allows it to be used as a residence, office, or even a commercial space. The WaterNest 100 is a perfect combination of elegance and sustainability. It offers a luxurious and eco-friendly living experience, floating in harmony with nature. Transit Elevated Bus. The Transit Elevated Bus, or TEB, is an innovative concept designed to tackle traffic congestion. This unique bus straddles traffic lanes, allowing cars to pass underneath. It was created to solve the growing traffic problems in rapidly expanding cities. The TEB operates on a fixed guideway, which means it travels along a specific path raised above the road. Its main compartment is elevated, so cars can move freely beneath it while the bus moves above. This bus is powered by electricity. It can either use overhead wires or solar panels installed on its roof to generate power. This makes the TEB an eco-friendly solution for urban transport. The idea for the Transit Elevated Bus was first introduced in China in 2010. A small-scale test track was even built in 2016 to demonstrate how it works. However, the project faced some challenges. Experts raised concerns about its high costs, potential safety issues, and whether it could really be practical in everyday use. Since the initial test, there haven't been any significant updates on the TEB project. In addition to transportation, the Willy bus is a platform for artistic creativity. Its LCD screens act as mobile display units, allowing artists to share their work with the city as the bus moves through its route. The Willy transparent LCD bus combines practicality with creativity, making it a standout in the world of modern public transit. Wind Explorer. The Wind Explorer kite car is a fascinating blend of transportation and adventure. This unique velomobile uses a kite for propulsion, harnessing wind power to drive it forward with minimal environmental impact. Designed with sustainability in mind, the vehicle is equipped with a large kite that captures the wind, allowing it to glide smoothly across highways and open landscapes. It's an innovative approach to eco-friendly travel, combining creativity with functionality. What makes the Wind Explorer truly remarkable is its ambitious journey across Australia. This daring expedition showcased the vehicle's real-world capabilities, proving it can handle long distances while relying on renewable energy. The Wind Explorer isn't just a mode of transport, it's a statement about the possibilities of sustainable innovation. Who says groundbreaking vehicles have to stay on Earth? Chen's electric car concept. Chen's new electric car is like a huge, self-balancing hoverboard that fits up to 5 people. Imagine 60-inch wheels, smart sensors, and motors working together to keep the ride super smooth. What's really cool is that the car's body shifts forward and backward to make speed changes feel gentle for passengers. The design of the wheels means the car can handle bumps without making the ride bumpy for those inside. Plus, this two-wheeled wonder doesn't have a traditional steering wheel. Instead, it turns by adjusting the power and speed of each wheel, offering a futuristic driving experience. It's kind of like the C1 electric Euro car by Lit Motors but with a whole new spin. The Flying V. The Flying V, developed in the Netherlands at TU Delft, is a groundbreaking aircraft. Its unique V shape combines the passenger cabin, cargo hold, and fuel tanks into its wings. This design is quite different from traditional planes. Despite its compact look, the Flying V can carry the same number of passengers and cargo as an Airbus A350-1000. However, it stands out by using 20% less fuel, thanks to its better aerodynamics and lighter weight. One of its key advantages is that it can use the same airport infrastructure as current planes. This makes it a practical and eco-friendly solution for the future of air travel. In the summer of 2020, a scaled model of the Flying V completed its first successful flight, marking a significant step toward more sustainable aviation. Aitour Trike Heel Middle. The Aitour Trike Heel Middle is a reliable and safe electric tricycle. Priced at €3,390, it's designed for everyday use and built with enhanced stability in mind. This tricycle features self-balancing anti-tilt technology, making it ideal for riders between 165 to 195 centimeters tall. It ensures a stable and secure ride on various terrains. The Shimano Nexus 3-speed hub allows smooth and effortless gear shifting. This makes it easy to adjust speed according to your needs. For safety, the Trike is equipped with Innova reflective tires, improving visibility. It also has mechanical disc brakes in the front and roller brakes in the rear, ensuring reliable stopping power. The 36V 10Ah battery provides a practical range for daily trips. With a total weight capacity of 120 kilograms, it's capable of carrying heavier loads with ease. The user-friendly LCD X3 display keeps you informed about speed, battery level, and distance. The rear basket offers 68 liters of cargo space, perfect for groceries, luggage, or other items. Weighing 68 kilograms, the Aitour Trike Heel Middle combines comfort, safety, and functionality. It's an excellent choice for taller individuals looking for a dependable electric cargo trike. EarthRoamer SX. The EarthRoamer SX takes winter overlanding to the next level. It combines rugged capability with unparalleled luxury for extreme adventures. This vehicle is an evolution of the acclaimed LTI line. It offers a spacious interior with thoughtful upgrades. You'll find a full dry bath with a walk-in shower, expanded sleeping areas, and ample seating for relaxation. One of its standout features is the large garage space. It's perfect for storing all your gear for extended journeys. The SX is built on the Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis. It's powered by a Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel V8 engine, paired with an Allison 6-speed transmission. This combination ensures exceptional performance, even in the toughest conditions. It comes equipped with enhanced water and fuel capacities, making it ideal for long trips. The 270 degrees panoramic windows provide breathtaking views of your surroundings. For off-grid comfort, the SX includes an 18,000-watt lithium-ion battery. Optional amenities like a washer and dryer make it feel like home, no matter where you are. Tested on the most challenging terrains, the EarthRoamer SX is your ultimate partner for winter exploration. Whether you're venturing into snowy landscapes or rugged trails, this overlanding marvel is ready for the journey. Haven Safari, bringing the comforts of home to the outdoors. Introducing the Haven Safari, a groundbreaking invention that allows you to experience the comforts of home while enjoying the great outdoors. Designed by its creators, this product combines the best features of a tent and a hammock, making it possible for you to sleep comfortably in nature, whether you're deep in the wilderness or just relaxing in your backyard. The Haven Safari's design is patented, ensuring a unique experience. It comes in several color options, so you can choose one that matches your style. The tent includes a 30 by 80-inch airbed that supports various sleeping positions. Whether you prefer sleeping on your back, stomach, or side, this airbed provides comfort and flexibility. Constructed from durable 300D polyester, the tent can support up to 350 pounds of weight. Despite its strength, the whole kit weighs only about 12 pounds, making it easy to carry with you on your adventures. Additionally, the Haven Safari comes with essential accessories. It includes a mosquito net to keep insects at bay, an awning to protect you from wind and rain, and a set of fasteners, allowing you to set up the tent on the ground with ease. With the Haven Safari, you can elevate your camping experience by bringing the comfort of home wherever you go. Engwe Ease 2 Pro. The Engwe Ease 2 Pro is a versatile and foldable mobility scooter. It's lightweight and designed for convenience, making it perfect for everyday use. Powered by a robust 270W motor, this scooter reaches speeds of up to 4.97 miles per hour. With a gradability of 12 degrees, it handles a variety of terrains with ease. Safety is a top priority. The E2 Pro features an intelligent electromagnetic braking system. It ensures a stopping distance of under 1,500 millimeters, giving you confidence during rides. Its 24 volts 10Ah lithium battery provides a range of 12 miles. The battery fully charges in just 4 to 5 hours, keeping downtime to a minimum. Weighing only 19.6 kilograms, the scooter is lightweight yet durable. It supports a maximum load of 120 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The Engwe Ease 2 Pro combines portability, performance, and safety. Whether you're commuting or running errands, it's an ideal solution for your mobility needs. HW Electro Puzzle Mini EV. The HW Electro Puzzle Mini EV is a unique and efficient electric vehicle tailored for urban environments. Lightweight and practical, it's designed to meet the growing demand for sustainable commercial transportation. HW Electro is partnering with top manufacturers to enhance its lineup. This collaboration focuses on creating vehicles that combine efficiency, comfort, and versatility, making them ideal for businesses. The Puzzle Mini EV prioritizes user comfort while addressing the practical needs of urban transport. It reflects HW Electro's commitment to innovation and environmental responsibility. This vehicle isn't just about reducing carbon emissions, it's about offering businesses a reliable solution that maintains operational efficiency. As HW Electro expands its offerings, it's solidifying its position as a major player in the electric vehicle market.
Seabike, the ultimate way to cycle on water. Discover the Seabike, a groundbreaking watercraft that lets you ride on water like never before. This eco-friendly hydrofoil bike allows you to pedal across the water's surface, reaching speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour. It's an excellent workout for your legs, core, and arms, all while you enjoy the outdoors. Thanks to its lightweight and ergonomic design, the Seabike is easy to control, making it perfect for everyone, from fitness buffs to adventure seekers. Imagine cruising across the ocean, feeling the wind in your hair, and soaking up the beautiful scenery, all while staying fit and active. The Seabike makes this dream a reality. Whether you're looking to spice up your workout routine or find a thrilling new way to enjoy the water, the Seabike is a must-try. Get ready to experience the ocean like never before.
Icebird. The Icebird yacht is a cutting-edge vessel designed for extreme polar exploration. Built by Trintella Shipyard, this 60-foot aluminum yacht is crafted for safety and performance in icy conditions. Its reinforced hull and 6 watertight compartments provide superior protection. Exceptional insulation ensures a comfortable environment, even in freezing temperatures. The Icebird features a hydraulically operated lifting keel. This reduces its draft to just 1.9 meters, allowing access to shallow waters. When fully extended, the 3.3-meter keel and 10-ton foil maintain excellent stability. The enclosed pilot house offers panoramic views and advanced navigation systems. It's designed to help the crew manage challenging conditions with ease. The yacht comfortably accommodates 6 guests and crew. Inside, you'll find luxurious amenities like heated towel rails and even a bread maker, ensuring comfort during long expeditions. Novus One. The Novus One is an electric motorcycle redefining urban commuting in the European market. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, this bike is more than just a ride, it's a bold statement on wheels. At the heart of the Novus One is a carbon fiber monocoque frame. This not only looks futuristic but also keeps the bike incredibly lightweight at just 227 pounds. The result is a remarkable weight-to-performance ratio that offers agile and responsive handling, perfect for navigating city streets. Powering this electric marvel is a high-torque motor that delivers an impressive 400 Nm of torque. This allows the Novus One to reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, ensuring a thrilling yet efficient ride. Charging is quick and hassle-free. With its fast charger, the battery can be recharged to 80% in just 90 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping you on the move. The Novus One combines innovation, performance, and style in one package. It's the ideal choice for anyone seeking a sustainable yet exciting urban commuting experience. Weped Dark Sonic X. The Weped Dark Sonic X is a top-tier fat tire electric scooter. It offers unmatched luxury and performance for modern riders. Priced at $1,320, the Dark Sonic X is powered by a dual 4 kW BLC hub motor. It delivers rapid acceleration and reaches an impressive top speed of 80 miles per hour. Its 84-volt Samsung SDI 50-amp battery ensures a range of about 100 kilometers. This makes it ideal for long-distance rides without frequent recharging. The scooter features 16-inch tubeless tires, providing excellent traction and stability. Dual hydraulic 4-piston brakes ensure responsive and reliable stopping power. For a smooth ride, the front single and rear dual-oil shock absorbers absorb bumps effortlessly. This makes it perfect for uneven roads or rough terrain. The Dark Sonic X is crafted from durable POSCO 661 aluminum alloy. This material combines strength with a sleek and stylish design. Weighing 82 kilograms, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. Its cutting-edge technology and exceptional style make it a top choice for performance-focused riders. With the Weped Dark Sonic X, you can experience premium engineering and thrilling rides like never before.